The gold price rose against a weaker dollar on Wednesday, slipping from yesterday's multi-week highs for non-US investors as global stock markets rallied ahead of US President Trump's latest wave of trade tariffs coming into force, with further sanctions being discussed to end Russia's war on Ukraine. While gold and silver bullion are exempt from Trump's tariffs, US imports of other goods from global refining giant Switzerland now face a crippling 39% charge, thanks to Washington mistakenly included precious metals flows in their math, according to Bloomberg analysis. Tomorrow's trans-shipment tariffs, charging an additional 40% on goods believed to have originally come from China, could prove economically devastating for countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, Cambodia, and Malaysia, says Puan Yatim, associate professor at Malaysia's Graduate School of Business. Trump today imposed an additional 25% tariff on goods from India because it continues buying oil from Russia, a move called unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable by the BJP-led coalition government in New Delhi. Tariffs at the current levels are a much bigger impact than the next 50 basis point move by the Fed, says US investment strategist and author Lynn Alden, yet the latter gets as much, if not more, attention. Like gold, the price of silver rallied Wednesday in US dollar terms, peaking with 5 cents of $38 per troy ounce, a new 14-year high when crossed this time last month, while the S&P 500 index of US stocks reversed the last of Friday's sudden 1.6% plunge, after Trump fired a senior statistician and called for Fed Chief Jay Powell a moron for not cutting interest rates. With the MSCI World Index of Western economy stock markets as a group rising for only the second time in 8 sessions, the dollar price of gold today rose within $10 of Tuesday's 2-week peak at $3,390 per troy ounce. But the dollar's decline to 7 session lows on its DXY index saw gold prices decline against non-US currencies, falling through 2,900 euros after hitting a 6-week high yesterday at 2,931 euros for German, French, Italian, and Spanish investors. The UK gold price in pounds per ounce, meanwhile, fell £25 from Tuesday's 3-month high of £2,550, even as the Labour government's borrowing costs rose on the bond market amid press headlines over needing to fill a £50 billion black hole in the public finances, according to one London think tank. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.